Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a new DFA problem. So obtain a DFA to accept a language. Okay, so L denotes language. Okay, so they are going to define a language. Okay, and always this language is defined inside the curly braces. Okay, and they're saying W is the input. Okay, so W will act as an input string such that the colon says such that the condition the length of W means if you put two bars of W it means the length of the string. Okay, the length of the string W is nothing but the input, so that the length of the string, that is input string mod 3 is equal to 0 means whenever you take the length of the input string and divided by 3 and the remainder should be 0, so that the number of input should be like 3, 6, 9, that is multiples of 3. The length of the input should be multiples of 3. Now we'll see how to draw a DFA for this type of problem. Okay, so as usual we'll start with a Q0 state and denote that one as a starting state. Okay, again they're saying for the input they're saying the accepted inputs, the accepted strings as input is only A, alphabet A. So what we'll do, we'll start like this. So we'll say on A it goes to Q1 state. Okay, again second input, again you can take one more A, that goes to Q2. Okay, again for third A as it is mod 3, so for third A, after third A what we'll do, we will connect this one to the starting state like this and make the starting state as a final state, and this is also the A input. So what it means, whenever the Q0 A without any input it can stop, the machine can stop with 0 inputs. Otherwise after 1A it can't stop, it should take another A as an input. Again third A, after third A it can stop the machine accept the input, that is 3 times A. Again if it is continuous beyond that one, 4 times input, fifth input and sixth input it can stop. So then it becomes 3 times A, 2 times repeatedly. So totally it becomes 6 number of A inputs. So whenever we have a mod 3 problem, so we should do in the same way. So here the input is 3, so that is a mod 3. So we stopped with the 3 input. In the same way, if you have mod 4, you want to increase the state and the input and loop it to the starting state and make it as a final state. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.